In other news, 2 miles of land and millions of dollars in lawsuits. The town of Concord and owners along the strip of land have been in court over whether or not the public can use it or if it's private property. NBC 10's Malcolm Johnson joining us from Concord with a look at what was decided in court today. Malcolm?
Well, we know that hikers and dog walkers really popularized the land in question, JC, during the pandemic. Well, now this legal battle that's been taking place for several years over whether or not this land is public or private, for the moment, has come to an end.
Who does this land belong to?
So all of this land belonged to Ralph Waldo Emerson's grandson, Raymond Emerson, who lived over here until about the 1970s.
This marked 2-mile path connecting Carlisle to the center of Concord, known as Estabrook Road, has recognized history dating back to the 1760s. Monday, the Supreme Judicial Court ruled in favor of the town of Concord to keep the road public. Back in 2017, the town sued several owners of land along the road, including Brooks Reed. The owners want the road private.
Our case is there's not a public road because there's no evidence of a public road being laid out.
Through surveillance cameras, the homeowners have seen property vandalized and dogs unleashed. In 2020, homeowners locked gates to keep cars from driving on the property.
Cars can drive through the woods. That's a disaster for the woods.
The town is pleased with the court's decision, saying both the trial and appeals court gave this case a full hearing and confirmed that the facts and the law support the town's consistent position that Estabrook was established as a public way and that the public retains the access rights they have enjoyed for decades, if not centuries.
It's very emotionally draining. It's been going on for 7 years. It's disrupted our lives very badly. But the woods are critically important. We don't want to have cars driving through the woods. That's a disaster for the woods.
And that's a big part of the problem for these homeowners is the fact that cars are now able to drive alongside their properties. And the homeowners say they had no idea that this lawsuit from the town was coming their way. We're reporting in Concord. I'm Malcolm Johnson, NBC 10 Boston.